Hey, so this is my reverse clutch hub with the lower roller clutch and stuff. And so right now these are the These are the disc, the friction material, the low reverse clutches, backing plate, the friction plates, the seal plates, and the wave plates. So one of the problems I was having is that my reverse for some reason shudders or it slips. So I mean, when you test this out, hold on, let me. Okay, hold on, because these things are stuck right now. Okay, so when they're totally fine. You see, there's no binding here. See that? But after looking at them, if you look closely, hold on, let me put this somewhere else. So if you look closely, you got the wave plate, you got a steel plate. That's perfectly fine. That looks a little bit burnt, or I don't know what's going on. See that? I think those grooves are from those grooves right here. See? Same thing. Same thing. I think that's just from slipping. Same thing. Same thing. And then this one, obviously, on this part is perfectly fine. So, though, I think the reason why my reverse slips is because the snap ring that goes and holds on. So this snap ring is called the low reverse clutch backing plate snap ring. I think it's either too thin or I don't know what's going on, because for some reason, I guess when maybe the gap, I mean, I don't think you've measured gap on this, but for some reason it's not really, I guess, thick enough, and that's why my reverse slips. Because other than that, I have no idea why would it slip, because everything else is up to what you call it, standards, and all the gappings are correct. Because when you go over here and you see these are all my forward, and see, they're perfectly fine, bad as can be, no burnt. See, all are perfectly fine. So I don't know why the hell my reverse is slipping. I mean, I checked everything, everything's perfectly fine, everything's torqued. I don't know what could it be, man. Got any idea?